To use any pro features in CapCut for free, you need to download another application called OBS Studio or any screen recording software to record the screen. After that, open CapCut. Before you start editing, go to Media option and search for Library. There, search Black Screen or Anything Filler and add that clip first. Be sure to make that clip at least 5 seconds long. After that, start editing your project. After you finish editing, open OBS Studio and start recording. Play your project at full screen. Stop recording after you have fully watched your video. Then exit CapCut and start a new project. There you will import the recording of your project. The black screen will help you avoid the playhead, so trim to the point where the playhead disappears and trim the end part. Now, simply export the project. Thank you.